Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making Primavera with asparagus and carrots. So we have our pot of boiling oiled and salted water ready to go, and we're going to drop our pasta in. Go ahead and take some of my cooking liquid to save for later. Alright, so we're going to let those begin to cook. Give them a little stir. Alright, while that's going, we're going to saute some minced garlic and sliced shallots. This is going to go very quickly. You can see I've already lifted it up off the heat. I'm just letting the heat that's already trapped in the pan do the work. Getting just a little bit of color on my garlic. The shallots are already kind of softening up because we've sliced them so thin. So we're going to go in with chicken stock. We have milk. We're going to allow this to come to a simmer. Also have Dijon mustard. Right, a pinch of salt. Pepper. Stir this up. Okay, and we'll allow that to come up to a simmer. We're going to cook our pasta almost to the point of being done, and in the last 2 to 3 minutes we're going to drop our thin asparagus and our matchsticks of carrots, and then we will drain and set those aside, and then we'll toss everything back in our milk and chicken stock mixture at the very last minute and then serve. So this is a super simple dish. Alright, our pasta just has a couple minutes left, so we're going to go ahead and put our carrots in as well as our asparagus. They will take little time to cook. And you can see our asparagus is turning bright green. We don't want to cook it too much longer past this. We still want to leave some nice crunch in our veggies. All right, we're ready to take this to the sink and drain. All right, so now we're ready to add our pasta and veggies to our sauce. All right, so once you get all this tossed together, all that's left to do is to plate it up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.